And welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about radio buttons and checkboxes. Today, we shall learn about the page level computation. A computation is a logic that assigns a value to a single item. A page level computation assigns a value to a single item when a page is displaying or submitted. There are two types of processes in Oracle Apex: page rendering and page processing. So, you can use computation for page rendering process or page processing process. Basically, the main purpose of computation is to assign a value to a single item. The value of the computation you could not assign to different items on your page. This is the main concept you must remember. So let's do some practical work. Go to your Apex workspace, go to App Builder and choose your existing application or create a new. After that, create a page, make it interactive report, add departments, department, then model data. Okay, then select the table name, go to next page, choose the primary key and click create page. So this is your interactive grid on your page. When we click the edit button, a new page opens. This is page rendering process. It render a department name and location and convert it from database table to HTML tags. So we want to another page item here that will show the total sum of salary as per each department. So for this, we shall create a computation. Go to quick editor, page 33. So this is your department form. Let's create another page item that will show the total salary for each department. In page pre-rendering, we have before header, after header, and before region. We can create computation between one of them. So let's create computation before header. In the computation, give the item name, which is the total salary. Then we have in the type multiple values, SQL query return single value, multiple value expression. We shall use the SQL query that return single value. Now write the query. Select some Indian salary and employees. Get production ID is equal to P33 depth ID. P depth ID is basically the hidden item of this page. Validate your query and click OK. So this is basically the depth ID which is hidden. So refresh your interactive report and click the edit button. It's not showing. Actually, we have to save it before and now refresh the page. Now you can see that the total salary page item is showing. Let's choose another department. So the total salary of that department is showing. So you can see that a computation can assign a single value to a single page item. So this is the page rendering computation. Now let's discuss about the page processing computation. So this is the rendering tab and this is the processing tab. In this processing tab, after submit, we want to add computation. So let's create a scenario. If we update the department ID in a small letter, a small alphabets, then after submit, the computation will change the small letter into capital letter and save into the database. So let's create computation, choose department name, and this time choose expression in computation and change to upper and validate. So it is validated. Click OK and save. And refresh the page and change it to marketing in a small letter. Marketing. Now apply changes. You can see that the value stored in a database with the uppercase letters. But we have entered the small letters with ID. And when we change, it changed to uppercase. So that's all about the page level computation at Developers Diary. I hope you have learned something useful. See you in the next tutorial.